Ready to tone and shape your booty? Then this is the workout for you. Hey, Coach Greg here, and we have 3 sets for you. We got 4 exercises that are really gonna help you grow and firm up your glutes, so this is gonna be fun. Without further ado, let's start with our first standing butt exercise. We have straight leg kickbacks. Stand up nice and tall. The goal being, we really want to focus on bringing one leg back into a kickback. Keep it as straight as you can. You're gonna feel it all up your thigh, up into your glutes. Just like this. You can come forward a little bit, but the goal is to be as straight as you can. Hold on to something if you need to, but you wanna feel the tension all the way through your legs. So here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it, 30 seconds. There it is. Again, try not to hinge too much because then you're not putting any emphasis on your glutes because you're just using your hips. Stand up nice and tall and just squeeze those glutes, baby. Just like this. Try to keep your leg going straight behind you. Sometimes they wanna come out to the side to relieve any of the pressure, but you got this. And again, you don't need to be kicking back super far. That's not the goal. Something right here will also work. 3, 2, and 1. Done. Great job. Moving along, we have sumo squats. Normal squat, you're here and feet are shoulder width apart. Sumo squat, we want to turn our feet out, get into a wider base. This is really going to help us work on the outside of our butts here. So here we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. All we're doing is trying to sit back, try not to lean forward too much. Right here, you don't have to get all the way to the ground. Even something right here would work. You're doing great. And by set number 3, you'll probably be a little more warmed up, so you'll be able to sink even deeper. If this is too difficult for you, feel free to put like a stool or a bench or a couch. But these are the exercises that are gonna help define your glutes. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. We have curtsy lunges next. A normal lunge, you're just going straight behind you, but with curtsy lunge, we want to see if we can get our hip to the other side, just like that. That's really going to help put, not pressure, it's going to really help define the outside, like I said, right over here. So here we go, 3, 2, 1, step back into curtsy, just like this. You don't have to go all the way to the ground like I am. Even something like this works, almost like an ice skater. And if you need, hold on to something. Try to stay upright with your upper body. There it is. Be nice and gentle. You don't need to go fast, but you're gonna feel it right here. See, you're gonna feel it right up in here. A couple more seconds here. Let's do one more on the other side. And done. Great job. Last, we have donkey kicks. Similar to the kickbacks, but this time we have a bent knee. See if you can get your ankle as close to your butt as you can, or at least 90 degree, whatever you feel comfortable with. And all we're trying to do is kick up, just like this. It's just that simple motion, but I'm telling you, you're gonna feel it all right up in here. Hold on to something, because this is probably gonna be a little more difficult, but we're just gonna alternate between left and right leg. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. And really just kick up, just like this. I like just to make sure my leg is in position first before, because then we're just doing this, and again, we're not doing anything. The focus is our booty, so let's make sure that's where all the pain is going. There it is. There it is, great job. Let's do one more, and done. Great job. So let's start on set number 2 first. Grab smart if you need to, but if not, we're gonna jump right into this. Straight leg kickbacks, 3, 2, 1, go. Sumo squats, 3, 2, 1, go. Curtsy lunges, 3, 2, 1, go. Donkey kicks, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, 2 sets down, 1 more to go. Let's finish strong. Grab water if you need to, but if not, let's jump into this. You got this, let's go. Sumo squats, 3, 2, 1, go. Curtsy lunges, 3, 2, 1, go. Donkey kicks, 3, 2, 1, go. And that is how you tone and shape your booty. Go ahead and do these exercises on the daily, and I guarantee you'll probably see a lot of improvement over the weeks and months to come. Worst case, you will just be strengthening your legs and toning yourself. It's gonna look glorious and amazing. You can tell your friends, tell your neighbors, how do you get such a great booty? Be like, Coach Greg, Coach Mare, Coach Gabby, they keep me fit. And also, if you like these type of videos, go ahead and click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos, just like this one dropping. But without further ado, I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.